Mangu. Today I am going to teach you how to code the simple calculator using code.org. Yesterday I have uploaded a video called how to design the simple calculator. Today I am going to teach you how to code the simple calculator using code.org. For that we need four ornament blocks. Yes, the ID will be first one button add, then button subtract, button multiply, and then button divide. Let it be click itself. Here set number in the four ornament you have to give, and ID will be the label 1. Buttons label 1, and then this will be the but in the ornament button add plus here minus multiply here divide, and it will show a rectangle as this inside it. We didn't add anything. Go to UI controls, get number, have to add. Mm, I will add it and show you. Yes, I have added the get number in all the thing. The ID will be in the first one text input 1, in the second one text input 2 we have to write, and I will show you after adding in this. Yes, now we will check it. Click on run, enter the first number 5, second number I will give 3. If we add is 8, subtract means 2, divide means it is showing a decimal number, and multiply means 15. Yes, now it's working correct.